What's going on, Huncho fam? It's your boy Huncho, bringing you guys another video. Today's video, y'all already know, y'all gonna be going to work with me, as y'all can tell by the title. I'll let y'all hang out with me today. We got a detail this morning. Had to stop and get gas real quick. But man, I hope you guys been having a great day. Hope you guys had a great weekend. I showed you guys the car show. Speaking of the car show, let me talk about it real quick. I ended it in a way I really didn't want to end it, but I tell you why. Because if you guys go back, or if you guys still remember in the car show video, right, when they was doing the award giveaway, y'all saw all the people that had on those green shirts, like green vests. Those was the people that was actually giving the event and helping out, with certain stuff, telling you where to park and all of this stuff. So, of course, we didn't bring a trophy home. Cool, not a problem. It's always next time, because we got another show that's coming up, actually this weekend, this Saturday. So hopefully we bring the trophy home this time. I'm pretty sure we will bring one this time. But anyway, this last show that we just went to, guys, like I was saying, the guys that had on those yellow vests, green vests, that was the ones giving the, the whole event and everything, helping out with the event. Some of them was volunteers. But a lot of things that I've seen with this particular car show is they had their cars in the show as well. Now, if you guys are giving this event, how is it that you putting your cars in there? Granted, if you put your car in there, cool. I feel like you shouldn't be allowed to win an award. But it was 3 people that won awards. For one, they told us they was giving out 21 awards. If you guys go back and look at that video, they only ended up giving out 17 awards. And I want to say 3 other awards went to the people that actually gave the event. For like best car, best interior, something like that. But you guys go back, look at the video. I just feel like if you, giving the event, you shouldn't be able to win your own awards. So I feel like that was a kind of, downside to that, because you didn't really get the participants a chance to actually win those awards, because you already knew where those awards was gonna go. And that's the thing about down here in the South, man, because I'm in North Carolina right now. But like I said, I go to a lot of different car shows, different areas and everything. But that particular car show was in North Carolina. It was Cars for Kids. That's what their flyer said. I'm expecting to see a bunch of kids out here. Granted, we sold about a handful of kids. But I feel like this show right here was, for adults. Really wasn't no kids out there. But it is what it is, man. We didn't bring home a trophy that day, but this weekend, hopefully, fingers crossed, we bring an award. But at the end of the day, man, we all just having fun, man. I'm getting my son the exposure that he needs. So it's all about having fun. I did get a couple shirts sold, so shout out to the people that did buy shirts from us. But I'm about to start driving to this detail job, guys. I know you guys probably tired of me talking. I'm about to be on my way to this detail job. Make contact with the customer. After I make contact with the customer, I'll show you guys the vehicle and everything that we got to get done to it. So I'll catch you guys here in a second. All right, guys, I'm finally here at the customer house. I made contact with them. Let me show you guys. It's a F-150. I'll give y'all a complete look at the outside here in a little bit, but let me show y'all the inside. Y'all see that? Dog hair. My worst enemy. Dog hair, pet hair. It's all up on the dashboard and everything. But I got a special tool for it, guys, that I can knock out. That I can use to knock that out. I've seen worse. Already engloved up. So what I like to do is I like to start taking everything out the customer cars and just set it to the side. Real nice. Clean. And, sometimes they don't even be knowing all the stuff that they got in here. I just put everything in a pile for the customer, including their loose change. Because sometimes people will try to test you, not with loose change, but just money in general. They'll try to test you to see if you'll steal anything from them. So I always just put their belongings back. Let's lift the seat up so I can make sure I'm getting everything out from the back. See? Look at that.
Yeah, we been right here before.
Y'all know I got my boy Corey with me.
Yeah, right here.
I don't think I've been here before.
Yes, we have.
See, I just put all the loose stuff in the box. Most time I have a bag with me, but being the fact that they had that box right there, I just use that so that way they can just get all their stuff in one take. Just put everything in there. Then I go around to the other side of the truck. And do the same thing. Cause Corey ain't over here yet. Just let the seat up. And I always start back to front. Y'all comment down below if some of you guys detail cars. How you always start. Front to back, back to front. And another thing, I always do the insides of vehicles before I do the exterior. It's just a habit of mine. Some people, I know they like to do the exterior before they do the interior. To me, I feel like you're working backwards like that. So I just put that right there on top of that umbrella. Since that box is about full. All right, let's see. There's a dog here everywhere. When I tell you, got everywhere, I literally mean everywhere. I'm gonna take all this stuff out of here too. So y'all give me a second. Let me finish getting all this stuff out and then I'll be back with y'all. All right, guys, we finally got started on the job. I'm just moving this seat up right quick. But y'all see this right here? It's gonna be my best friend for today. I'm gonna demonstrate it for y'all right quick. See how it just took up that dog hair. Then you just go back with the vacuum and get it. I already done back here. I ain't done, but I'll show y'all. See? Go back with the back. Dog hair is a mud to get up, get out. Show you guys one more time. Ain't nothing easy about it. Just go back with your back and just suck it all up. And then this right here, you see how you got your plastic pieces? You don't want to use the pet rock. You don't want to use that for that. You'll scratch it up. So what you do is you have a different, another option. Same thing, like the rock, but a little bit more softer. And you can just go like that with it. You don't want to be damaging, you know, your stuff, customer stuff. So it's the same thing as the pet rock. It's just a brush. You see how I'm not hurting it, and it's getting the pet hound at the same time. Just go back and just vacuum it all up. Normally what I do is, as I brush, I vac at the same time, but I'm holding the camera for you guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the camera down, and I'll be back with you guys. Let me get as much of this knocked out as I can, and then I'll pick the camera back up for you guys. You guys already see, you know, how it's turning out. Y'all comment down below and let me know how much y'all think I charge for this job. Then when I'm done with the job, I'll show you guys the price. I'll show you guys the price of everything. And comment down below and let me know how much you would have charged for this job. I'm sorry if it seems like I'm yelling into the camera, but that's because I got all the machines and everything on, so I want to make sure that you guys can hear me. So I'll be back with you guys in here in a second. All right, let me show you guys how it's coming out. Y'all see it. Alright, so now what I'm about to do is I'm about to spray these crevices right here with my special spray. Can't be shy with this spray now. I'm gonna spray in there. Spray it down. I'm gonna spray that down. Spray that down. Do that run right there. Then waistline. Gonna spray that down. Gonna let that sit for a couple seconds. Then I go back, hit it with my other spray. Hit this right here with my other spray. So it'll foam up. Then what I do right here is I take this brush right here, not special, and then I just hit those grooves back and forth. Same thing over here, go around it like that. I do apologize if the camera a little shaky. Then in there, I take this brush right here, and then I just do circles. I'm gonna first wipe the bottom. Do the same thing on his side over there. Like that. Then I grab my red. I grab my rag. Microfiber rag. And then you just wipe it. And you may have to wipe, more than once. Turn your rag a couple times. And I do apologize if, the camera moving a lot and stuff. I'm trying to record this and work at the same time, guys. Take it, shake my rag out. Not seeing that step. Wipe that off right there. Then I do the same thing right here. Alright, I'm flipping my rag. Then I wipe this down.
Right. God almighty.
You see, as you do it, you get more dirt up. So that's why I say you go back with your vacuum cleaner again.
Yep.
Normally I like to take the seats out of vehicles, but being the fact that this was a job getting done at her house, and this is basically her everyday vehicle, I couldn't do that on this vehicle, so she didn't want to pay for that particular package. So you will run across customers that you can't always just take their seats out and really get in there and everything. So you got to use the room that you got. But regardless, she gonna get a good detail, another happy, satisfied customer. That's all I care about. Just shaking my rag out. Y'all see Corey over there doing his side. You're gonna constantly have dog hair, constantly coming.
Dog hair.
So while that stuff basically still drying, because I didn't really drench it, what I like to do is come over here and wipe down my doors, door jams, and all of that stuff. Look, can you guys see that? Alright, let me see the spray. So I just normally ask for the spray from Corey when he's not using it. So what I do is if y'all want to know the name of this spray that's inside of here, don't worry about what the bottle say, because that chemical ain't that. But if you guys want to know what I'm using, comment down below and I'll let you guys know. So I just spray my door down like I say, you can't be stingy with the spray. You gotta really saturate the stuff when you're dealing with customers that's paying you for detail. This ain't no car wash. I'm doing a detail. So what I do is I take my brush, just wipe down in there those tight spots. If it ain't soapy, it ain't dopey. You ain't making no money if it ain't soapy. So wipe down everything. Wipe it all down. Sometimes you have to spray it 2 times because it will start to dry a little bit. Then what I do is I take my rag and then I just, sorry guys, and I just wipe it. You see how shiny that look now? Look at that. Get down up in there. Wipe it all down. Get up in there. Can't be scared. And mind you, this just a basic wipe down. But then I wipe the door like 3-4 times. I wipe the door down 3-4 times. Because at the end, I'll use a poly at the end to give it a sheen that help protect it against sunlight and everything. Just to keep the door from drying out. But look at it though. Got a little dog kind there, but that's okay. Because I'm going to get all that out. But remember how crusty and dusty it was looking? Then what I do when I'm done wiping it, I take my shop vac and then I just, put that up in there to get any extra water or anything. And my shop vac is a 2-in-1, so it can suck up water and dirt. look at that. There y'all see it, right? Can y'all see that? Nice and clean. Remember that run? Like I told you, when you wipe, you will get a little bit of dog hair. Anytime you're dealing with dog hair, man, you're gonna always, you can be done with something. Dog hair still pop up. So, remember how dirty it was up in there? Now look at it. Now look at it. Alright guys, y'all see how it's turning out. Y'all see it. It's turning out good, guys. So now all I gotta do now is spray the back of this seat, clean out these vents, and then I'll be into the front. So I'll holler at you guys as soon as I'm done with the whole inside. I just wanted to show you guys how it was going. Inside the truck just about done. Y'all remember how she used to look. Look at that dashboard. Nice and clean now. It's clean in here now, guys. Yeah, remember all that dog hair that was in here? But guess what? It's gone. Besides that one piece right there. Alright, now it's gone. So what I gotta do now is about to wash these mats. That's gonna go back in the truck. Look at them doors. Door panels looking good. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell if you haven't already, so that way you guys always know when I'm posting new videos. I do this stuff right here for you guys. So let me go ahead and wash the outside, wash these mats, and get done with this job. I'll show y'all the finished product. Done with the truck. Y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all think. Look at those wheels. Oh my God, they wet. Whole truck clean. Whole truck. Show y'all what the inside look like. wish y'all can smell it. It smells good now.
Wait.
Whole truck nice and clean, guys and girls. Y'all remember all that dog hair? No more dog hair. That's just from the mat we put in. That's all that is. But y'all make sure y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all think. It's time for me to make contact with the customer so they can see it. And I'll show you guys how much I charge for this whole detail. I'm finally at the crib, y'all. As y'all see, it's nighttime already. I had to do a couple other jobs, but I finally got done. But I'm gonna show you guys the price of that detail I did earlier today for you guys. If you guessed it right, then congratulations to you. But this is how much I got paid for that one job. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell if you haven't already. Like I told you guys, this Saturday we will be attending another car show. So hopefully we can bring home a trophy on this one. I'm feeling good about it. Until the next video, I'll catch you.